Shopify is a Canadian multinational e commerce company headquartered in Ottawa, Ontario. It is also the name of its proprietary e commerce platform for online stores and retail point of sale systems. We will discuss how to earn money through Shopify. There are different ways through which you can earn money through Shopify. There are 25 proven ways through which you can earn money. To make choosing the best ways to make money online easier, we'll look at several key factors. Business type, whether the idea is product based, service based, or driven by an audience. Effort, how much time, skill, or experience you will need to put into the idea. Leverage, how well positioned you are to turn the idea into a money making one that increases in value without needing your direct attention. A high leverage idea isn't a 1:1 trade of time for money. Startup costs, the upfront budget you will need to launch the idea. Profit potential, how much profit you can expect to make from your idea per year. Here are the topic picks: dropshipping, print on demand, custom products, sell on Etsy, sell on Amazon, digital products, media, blogging, affiliate marketing. Number one is dropshipping. Business type, product based, effort medium, leverage high, startup costs out of 5, earning potential out of 5. Last year, many worldwide trends experienced a decade's worth of acceleration. One such trend was the rise of e-commerce. There are a number of ways to run an e-commerce business, some of which allow for minimal need to carry and hold lots of inventory. Enter dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order for you. Because startup costs are low, it's an increasingly popular way to make money online for beginners and pros alike. Dropshippers have a habit of chasing the latest trends. And while there's nothing wrong with catching a trending product wave, know that there also are many product categories that are steady and offer similar opportunities to do well. At Shopify, we regularly see these categories on our list of top performers. Women's clothing and accessories. Far and away the most popular category of products and Oberlo. There are a variety of interesting Nikes within this category, too, including dresses, accessories, intimates, hoodies, socks and hosieries and rompers. Since these products have a large market, are purchased relatively frequently, and are successfully sold through great marketing. They are consistently a top performer for dropshipping. Jewelry. If you want to turn jewelry into a profitable small business, dropshipping is a good model to try. You can sell in a variety of categories including fine jewelry, fashion or costume, and collectibles, or sell jewelry made from different materials like gems, wood, textile, or metals. Home and garden. Home and garden is one of those dropshipping Nikes that seem to always be trendy. People are always looking to add personal touches to their space to make it feel warm and cozy, which can make this an exciting and profitable night to sell in. Beauty. The beauty and personal care market is projected to be worth $511.4 billion dollars by the end of 2021. Beauty is a thriving industry fueled by younger generations entering the market and is strengthened by social media and e-commerce. You also have options in Beauty Nike. You can sell cosmetics, skincare, personal care, hair care, fragrances, and more. Okay, sounds good, but there is a huge hurdle to overcome with dropshipping. You are selling an existing product. The ease of starting a dropshipping business also means you will be up to your knees in competition, so it relies heavily on customer support. That means you are giving up a really important piece of leverage and need to recognize that in order to succeed, you are going to have to outdo the competition with a well chosen Nike and creative marketing. Subtle Asian Treats is a top dropshipping store that sells cute plushes and cases of airports and iPhones. It was founded by Zhiheng Chan, a young Malaysian entrepreneur, to take advantage of the bubble tea craze happening in Asia. Z explains in an interview with Berlo, I knew that the bubble tea trend was up and coming, especially in Asian communities. So I looked around for bubble tea stuff on AliExpress. I found phone cases. That was my very first product. Z spent months exploring and selling different dropshipping products. Some earned him extra cash while others flopped. It wasn't until he found the bubble tea plushie that his dream store became a reality. Once he saw them, he immediately imported them to his Shopify store, ran Facebook ads, and watched customers start rolling in. Learn more by reading. Luck and learning from failures led this entrepreneur to make 100K dollars from bubble tea plus toys on the Oberlo blog. Print on demand, business type, product based, effort medium, leverage medium, startup costs out of 5, earning potential out of 5. Print on demand allows sellers to customize white label products with their own designs and sell them only after a customer buys, eliminating the need to hold inventory, which is what makes it a subset of drop shipping. When a customer places an order, a print on demand company will add your design to the product, fulfill the order, and ship it to the customer. The most significant advantage print on demand offers over drop shipping is that you have control over the aesthetic of your products. A key differentiator for product categories where the design is the distinguisher, like t-shirts or fan merch. When it comes to making money online, you can also use print on demand services to